Go bold. History tells us it takes the bold to really change things. The way we live, the way we think, the way we work. Individuals and companies that showed us going bold often meant we had to be willing to think differently. We know you face a lot of challenges in your work managing fine turf. There's the scientific challenges of growing the grasses. There's the challenges of managing the staff. And then, of course, there's the budget to contend with. You're meeting those challenges best when the jobs can be done automatically. Whether it's irrigation or operating machinery, automation is the key. The way we see it, even with all the precision and automation you brought to the job, there's still one subject that causes more anxiety around the barn than any other, and that's the subject of chemical application. Do it wrong, and there's hell to pay. Plus, it sucks up a huge part of your budget. Just think about what your chemical budget is for a year. Wouldn't you like to save up to 1/3 of that amount? Studies show that as much as 1/3 of the chemical intended for fairways is wasted. But what if? What if there was this thing that could, number one, apply your chemicals with more precision than ever before? No over-application, no missed spots, no chemical outside the target area, all done automatically. Number two, save you up to 1/4 of your chemical budget. What is that at your place? $15,000? $30,000? Number three, reduce the time you spend applying chemicals by as much as 1/3. And do all these things in a manner that is safer for everyone, the operator, the players, and the neighbors. Well, there is such a machine. In fact, there are two of them. But stay with us now, because you're going to have to think differently when it comes to the subject of chemical application on fine turf. You're going to have to take that first bold step toward applying chemicals automatically. How do they work, you might ask? Could it be magic? No, it's not magic. It's science. Very proprietary science.
Where did you see this?
That's classified.
It's what?
That's classified? I could tell you, but then I'd have to kill you.
This is the Smithco Star Command Advanced and Automatic Turf Application Machine. To operate the Smithco Star Command, it may be necessary for you to forget everything you know about turf spraying, especially the relations between speed, application rate, nozzle tip size, and pressure. They're all still in the mix, but you're just dealing with them differently. For instance, vehicle speed can range from 2 to 10 miles per hour, and speed is limited only by the terrain and safe operating practices. Choose the even more advanced Star Command 2 system. You'll be using advanced GPS technology, giving you near military-grade accuracy to turn each individual nozzle pair on and off as needed to prevent over-application and ensure complete covering. How will you know what's happening? Because you'll be watching it happen on a bright color display screen. It takes 3 items that we'll refer to as modules number 1, 2, and 3 to make up the Smithco Star Command system. Well, number 1 is fairly obvious. It requires a great basic spray platform, the Smithco Spray Star 2000 and the Spray Star 3180, with your choice of 200 or 318-gallon capacity. That's 750 or 1,200 liters. They have powerful gas or diesel engines, offer easy-to-use hydrostatic traction drives, and ultra-high output solid stainless steel centrifugal pumps. They are the clear choice for your demanding needs. Their features provide a spray platform with industry-leading technology, all built right into their DNA. To look at modules 2 and 3, why don't you take a seat here at the operator's control position and check out the Star Command controls. Strapped in and comfortable? Okay, module number 2 of the Star Command system is the Capstan Ag System Sharpshooter. The most obvious feature of the Sharpshooter is the use of 2 nozzles where there would normally be just 1. Common to both the Star Command 1 and the Star Command 2, this is really the brains behind the Star Command. It automatically permits any application rate at any operating speed from 0.4 gallons all the way up to 5 gallons per 1,000 square feet, from 1 to 10 miles per hour. The Sharpshooter plus the reliable Raven SCS 440 spray control system as Module 3 make up the Smithco Star Command 1. This part alone is a great advancement in turf spraying. Finally, the ultimate Module 3. Choose the Invisio Pro coupled with the Raven Switch Pro automatic boom control, and you have the Smithco Star Command 2. It's the module that provides for extremely precise GPS guidance and mapping. Watch as the nozzles individually and instantly turn on and off, depending on whether the area has already been sprayed or not. Invisio Pro shows on screen exactly what has and has not been sprayed. Plus, it creates a map and application record you can keep forever. And don't forget, it all happens automatically. With modules 2 and 3, the Sharpshooter and the Invisio Pro, Star Command uncouples the usual connection of speed, rate, pressure, and tip size to allow a 10-fold rate range and a much wider vehicle speed range. With Star Command 2 GPS guidance and individual tip control, spraying can now be done more accurately with no skips or overlaps, resulting in less product used and less time to apply it, and record keeping that's never been available before. 3 modules to bring you 4 benefits. Precise application. All the chemical within its target. Chemical savings up to 1/4 of your budget. Time savings up to 1/3. And all of it done for you automatically and stress-free.